Hi there, Texans. We're looking at organism kingdoms. All right. Remember, you can pause the video. You can rewind it if you need to so that you can make sure to get the information. The organism kingdoms, looking at paragraph 1, the classification of organisms involves organizing them into 6 distinct kingdoms: archaebacteria, eubacteria, protists, fungi, plants, and animals. This system is determined by considering various factors, such as the type of cells an organism possesses, its capacity to produce food, and the number of cells comprising its body. Archaebacteria and eubacteria are unicellular prokaryotes, while protists are primarily unicellular eukaryotes. Fungi, plants, and animals, on the other hand, are characterized by multicellular structures. Every kingdom serves as a distinct branch of life, highlighting the remarkable diversity of living organisms. The classification system is valuable for scientists, enabling them to understand the connections in evolution and explore the vast array of life on our planet. Paragraph number 2, Archaebacteria. On November 3, 1977, the New York Times reported that scientists at the University of Illinois identified a form of life predating higher organisms. They named these single-celled organisms Archaebacteria. Archaebacteria are autotrophs. They can make their own food. These organisms cannot survive in places with a lot of oxygen. They live in extreme environments. They inhabit various environments including the ocean floor, salty water, hot springs, and even your intestines, though there's no need to be alarmed. Archaebacteria are prokaryotes, which means their cells lack a nucleus. The nucleus is a dense area within the cell that contains nucleic acids, the chemical instructions directing the cell's activities. That is what tells the cell what to do. All right, we're looking at eubacteria. EU sounds like the word you. Eubacteria. What similarities exist between the bacteria responsible for yogurt production and those causing strep throat? Both fall under the category eubacteria. Eubacteria are single-celled organisms without a nucleus. Some eubacteria can make their own food, while others rely on external sources. Eubacteria have their own kingdom due to their distinct chemical composition, in contrast to certain harmful eubacteria causing strep throat. The majority of eubacteria are beneficial. Some help plants grow by turning air into nutrients. Others are used in making foods like yogurt and cheese. Certain types of eubacteria are suitable for cleaning up pollution in the environment. In our bodies, some eubacteria aid in digestion and keep harmful bacteria in check. We're looking now at paragraph number 4. Protists. Protists are sometimes referred to as the odds and ends kingdom. They are a diverse group of tiny organisms that don't fit neatly into other biological categories. They are mostly single-celled and can be found in various environments like water, soil, and even in the bodies of other organisms. Some protists, like algae, can make their own food like autotrophs through photosynthesis, while others, like amoebas, maintain their nutrients by consuming other tiny organisms. Within an ecosystem, despite their small size, protists serve as both producers, which are organisms that make their own food, and consumers, organisms that must eat other plants or animals to get energy in the food chain. So we're looking at the top of the second worksheet or handout reading here. These little mushrooms, these are fungi. Fungi are diverse living organisms that include mushrooms, molds, and yeasts. Unlike plants, fungi lack chlorophyll, that is what makes plants green, and they cannot produce their own food through photosynthesis. Instead, fungi get nutrients by breaking down organic matter in their surroundings. They are the decomposers in the ecosystems, breaking down dead organisms and recycling nutrients. Some fungi form partnerships with plants, forming a partnership that benefits both the fungi and the plant. Additionally, fungi are crucial in producing various foods like breads, cheese, and certain medicines, making them significant contributors to the human well-being. All right, two of the largest ones here of the kingdoms, plants or plantae. Plants come in various forms, from towering trees, dandelions on the lawn, and moss on a stone wall to small flowers. They provide animal habitats, contribute to the water cycle, and support the overall balance of the ecosystem. They have unique structures like leaves, stems, and roots, and they use a process called photosynthesis to make their own food from sunlight, water, and carbon dioxide. This process provides energy for the plant and releases oxygen into the air, benefiting other living beings. Some plants even form symbiotic relationships with fungi, exchanging nutrients and promoting mutual growth. Plants play a vital role in preventing soil erosion by anchoring and stabilizing the soil with their roots. Moreover, they significantly influence climate patterns by regulating temperature and moisture levels in the atmosphere. Humans have relied on plants not only for sustenance, but also for materials like wood, fibers for clothing, and medicinal compounds. So looking at the last kingdom, the animals. A cat, a tick on the cat's tail, and a mouse that the cat chases have a lot in common. They're all animals. Animals which belong to the kingdom Animalia are captivating multicellular organisms crucial to the intricate balance of the ecosystems. Unlike plants, animals are heterotrophs, relying on consuming other organisms for nutrients. They come in various forms, ranging from small insects to large mammals. Animals contribute significantly to the functioning of ecosystems by playing key roles in food webs. For instance, predators like lions help control the population of herbivores such as zebras, prevent overgrazing, and maintain the health of plant communities. Decomposers like beetles and vultures play a critical role in breaking down organic matter, recycling nutrients, and keeping ecosystems clean. Pollinators, like bees and butterflies, also assist in plant reproduction by transferring pollen between flowers. With their diverse roles, animals add richness and complexity to the vibrant tapestry of life on Earth.